Hi students, welcome back to my class. So today I will start a new chapter, that is a number system. So what is a number system? So before going that the number system, we learn some basic definitions, right? So first one, number. So what is a number? The symbol have a fixed numerical value is called a numbers. The symbols have a fixed numerical value. So for example, see here the symbols are there. So these symbols they have a value. They are fixed value. So this symbol have a one value and we read as a one and we write as a one only, right? So this symbol we given a name as a one, and this symbol we given name as a 2. Similarly, this symbol we given name as a 8 and we read as a 8 and write as a 8 only. 9, 0. So this symbol we given name 6. So these are the symbols. So these symbols we given a name and that name is a fixed, right? So why we given a name this symbol to 1 and this to 2 and this to 3 and this to 4? I will say I will give name, this one is a 3 and this one is a 4. Are you agree? No, this one only 3 and this one only 4. They given, right? So why they given like this? See here, this symbol containing only one angle here. This symbol containing only one angle. So that's why it is a 1, right? So 1 angle. So here is a 1 angle. So that's why it's this symbol containing only one angle. So they given a name here 1. And this symbol also containing two angles. So that's why they given a name here this symbol to 2, right? And this symbol containing three angles. This symbol containing three angles. So they given a name as a 3 here. And similarly this symbol, see a 1, 2, 3 and 4. This symbol containing 4 angles. So that's why it is a 4. And this symbol 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this symbol containing 5 angles. So this symbol's name is 5. And similarly here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This symbol containing 6 angles. So we called it is a 6 and they given name as a 6 only. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this symbol containing 7 angles. So they given a name as a 7. And similarly here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This symbol have a 8 angles. So they given name 8 and we modified that number. We will write 8 like this, right? So next, similarly this symbol containing 9 angles. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So they given a name as a 9 and modification of a 9 is like this, right? And last one a 0. See here is a no angle. So that's why it is a 0. 0 angle is there. So they given a name 0, right? No angle means 0. So these are the numbers. Their number is formed like this, right? So next one. So they divide in this number many parts. So first one is a natural number. So what is a natural number? So counting number like 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity is called a natural number, and natural number is denoted by n. So counting number 1, 2, 3. These numbers are a natural number, not a 0. Only a 9 infinity, right? So it is called a natural number and a whole number. So next one is a whole number. So what is a whole number? The natural number together with the 0 is called a whole number. So whole number is denoted by W and 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. The natural number together with the 0 is called a whole number. Natural number 1, 2, 3. Counting number like 1, 2, 3 up to infinity is called a natural number, and a whole number, the natural number together with 0 is called a whole number. It is also up to infinity, right? So next one, integer. So integer is denoted by Z and it is called the positive and negative number together with 0. So -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on, right? So this one is called an integer. Positive and a negative number together with 0 is called a integers. Is it clear? So next, a rational and a irrational number. So what is a rational number? So a rational number is the number which is in the form of p by q, and q is not equal to 0. Q is not equal to 0, and p, q, r belongs to z. Belongs to z means p, q, r the any integers. Is it clear? So number which is in the form of p by q, and q is not equal to 0, and p, q, r belongs to the z is called a rational number. So for example, 2 by 3, it is a rational number, right? So 0 by 2, it is also rational number because it is in the form of p by q, and q is not equal to 0. So next one, 9 by 0, it is a rational number. It is not a rational number because that q is equal to 0 here, so it is not a rational number. Is it clear? So what is a rational number? The number which is in the form of p by q, and q is not equal to 0, p, q are the any integers. Is it clear? So next one, irrational number. So what is a irrational number? So irrational number which is not in the form of p by q, or which is not a rational number. Other numbers are irrational number. Apart from the rational number, other is irrational number. Is it clear? So next one, real number. So what is a real number? Rational number and irrational number. The combination of rational and irrational number is called a real number, and real number is denoted by r. Rational number and irrational number is called a real number. Is it clear? So rational, the combination of rational and irrational is called a real number, right? So number system. See here, already we learned a natural number. So natural number is 1 to infinity, right? It is called a rational natural number, right? And it is denoted by n. And a whole number. Natural number with 0 is called a whole number. Natural number with 0 is called a whole number. So next we learn integer. Z, integer. The positive and negative and 0 is called a integer, right? So next we learn rational and irrational, right? Rational and irrational number, right? So these two. After that, real number. Real number. Rational number is real number. So this system is called a number system. See here, natural number is a whole number. All natural numbers are a whole number, but the all whole numbers are not a natural number because it is a subset of this one, right? And next one, all natural and whole numbers are a integers, but all integers are a not a natural and whole number, because in an integer there is a negative number. So in a whole number there is a no negative number, and natural number in a natural number also there is no negative numbers, right? So whole number, natural number is all natural number is a whole number because the whole number containing all natural number, but the natural number is not containing whole number because here is a no 0. So all whole numbers are not a natural number because in a whole number they have 0, in a natural number no 0. Is it clear? So and irrational number which is in the form of p by q. All integers are also rational numbers, irrational numbers, but all rational irrational is not a integers. And real number, all these all numbers are a real number. So this one is called a number. Well students, so next concept is terminating and non-terminating, recurring and non-recurring, right? So what is the terminating and non-terminating? The decimal expression after the decimal the terms are a countable is a terminating. After the decimal the terms are non-countable, uncountable is a non-terminating. Countable means terminating, uncountable means non-terminating. And recurring and non-recurring, the countable numbers are repeating means a recurring. The countable uncountable terms are non-repeating and number will not repeating, so is a non-recurring. So for example here, 2 by 5 we got 0.4, right? This much only. So 4 is a countable, one term is only, so it is a countable, so it is a terminating. Is it clear? So another one, 1 by 3, so this one is 0.3333 so on. So it is uncountable because it is infinity, right? So infinity, so that's why it is a non-terminating. It is a terminating. After the decimal the terms are countable means it is a terminating. So after the decimal the terms are non-countable means non-terminating. And recurring and non-recurring. So here the after the decimal the terms are repeating, right? 3333. So it is a recurring, and also we can write it is 0.3 bar, right? So it means it is a recurring. Is it clear? So non-recurring means, for the example 22 by 7, when we make it division 3.14285 something up to so on, right? See here, after the decimal the uncountable terms are there, but the numbers are not repeating, different numbers are there, right? So it is called a non-recurring, non-terminating and it is a non-terminating and non-recurring. Non-terminating because uncountable, and a non-recurring means the terms numbers are not repeating here, right? So it is non-terminating and recurring because the terms are uncountable, so non-terminating, but the numbers are repeating, so it is non-terminating recurring. It is non-terminating and non-recurring, and it is terminating. Is it clear? Non-terminating, non-recurring, terminating and recurring. Alright. So next one, the decimal expression of a rational and irrational number. So first one, the decimal expression of a rational number. The term either terminating or non-terminating recurring is called a irrational number. So for example, see here, it is a terminating, either terminating or non-terminating recurring. It is non-terminating recurring and it is a terminating. These two numbers are called a rational number. Either terminating or non-terminating recurring, the rational number. And irrational number, non-terminating and non-recurring only is a irrational number. Here non-terminating and non-recurring, number is not a terminating, number is not a countable, and number is not a repeating also, right? Non-terminating, non-repeating or non-terminating, non-recurring is a irrational number. Rational and irrational. The decimal expression of a rational number is either terminating or non-terminating, recurring, and irrational number non-terminating, non-recurring is called a irrational number. And another one, see here, consider R is a rational number and S is a irrational number. R is a rational and it is a irrational number. So R plus S or R minus S or R into S, right? So irrational number multiplication with a rational number or a subtraction with a rational number or a addition with a rational number always gives irrational number only. Any irrational number multiplication, addition or subtraction with the rational number, the answer must be in a irrational number only. And rational number divided by irrational number may be rational or irrational. It is maybe rational or irrational, but it is always irrational number. Is it clear? Well, students, so next one is rationalizing. So what is the rationalizing? Rationalizing, it means the remove the square root on a denominator. So in a denominator, square root we have to remove here. So for example, 1 plus root 2 divided by root 2. So in a denominator we have square root, right? So this one we have to remove here, right? So here I will make it numerator and denominator multiplication by root 2. So root 2 is a multiple numerator and as well as denominator. So this become 1 plus root 2 into root 2 divided by root 2 into root 2. So here multiplication. So here comes root 2 into 1 is root 2 plus root 2 into root 2, 2 only. Here root 2 into root 2, 2 only. So here we remove the square root on a denominator. So this one is a rationalizing. Understood?